What's up guys, it's the Next Gym Leader Jove here with a short video unboxing a couple of Ancient Origins booster packs. We've got a couple I got from GameStop using a gift card I had. A little extra money I made selling some games. Let's get into opening this Tyranitar box. Ooh, it's actually different on the actual pack. Let's get rid of that code. 1, 2, 3, card shuffle. Okay. Here we've got Trainer card. Hex Maniac. A normal Blossom. A special energy. This card can be attached to an electric Pokemon. Provides energy only while this card is attached to the Pokemon. What makes it special? A Meowth, a Combee, Quagsire, Eevee, common Eevee, Golett, a reverse hollow Sableye. That's pretty cool. I like the design. It looks nice on black. And a Metagross, regular Metagross, full, maybe half full art. It's a rare card. Looks cool. Alright, let's open the second pack. Now this one has a box with Hoopa. Mega Hoopa. And the pack has, oh, this one actually has a Mega Hoopa. This is a short video as like training for me before I open up that big Fates Collide booster box over there. That'll be a longer video. Alright, get rid of that. Code 1, 2, 3, card shuffle. We've got a Gloom, Ace Trainer, Metang for the Metagross we just got, Spinark, nice, Magikarp, a Goomy, a Unone, that's pretty cool actually. Common Unone, Hidden Power, that's cool. Ooh, I saw that. A Persian, a reverse hollow Baltoy. Cool, it's a common type. And here we are, Hoopa EX. Looks nice, it's pretty cool that we got it inside the Hoopa booster pack. Alright, so this time we got Hoopa EX, of course. Baltoy. And let's see what else we got here. Is that the only shiny we got? We had a Metagross, which is pretty cool. Oh, and then we had the reverse hollow Sableye. 4 nice pulls. Nice. See you guys in the next video where I unbox this huge booster box of Fates Collide.